Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a gen reading for Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can do a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Remember, this is a general reading. If it resonates with you, please watch. But if it doesn't, don't try to unnecessarily fit in. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's in store for my Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's in store for my Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's in store. Longing for love, affection. Please tell me what's in store for my Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Knight of Swords. One more card. Please tell me what's in store for my Cancer Sun Moon Rising for the month of September. Please tell me what's in store. Wheel of Fortune. Swords. I do see Cancer, a lot of you are really craving for some genuine love, for some great sex, for some really, deep intimacy is what a lot of you guys are craving. A lot of you guys are also ready to do what it takes. I mean, you're just like seeking, it could be in terms of a relationship, or it could be in terms of, just like generally seeking warmth and comfort. But that's what you're craving right now, and you're ready to rush towards it. You're ready to do what it takes to really seek it, because that's what your mind is seeking right now. Your mind and your heart is seeking a lover. Your mind and heart is seeking some place of comfort and warmth. That's what the vibe is. I do see Cancer, a lot of you are feeling literally helpless also. A lot of you are feeling bound by situations. A lot of you are feeling bound by conditions. I want to see why Six of Pentacles are here. One more card, please tell me why Six of Pentacles. I certainly feel some sense of pain over here, Cancer. I do feel that some of you were, for some of you, like either some cycle has ended. For some of you, someone has left you out in cold, or some of you with ten of Swords and Five of Pentacles over here. I do see that some of you do not want to be left out in the cold anymore. Like maybe for the longest time, some of you were single. Some of you were breadcrumbing people. People around you were breadcrumbing you. People were coming and leaving your life as they please, and you were okay with all of it. I do see that you want those cycles to end, Cancers. I do see that a lot of you want literally don't want to be in that space where people are breadcrumbing you. You don't want to be in that space where people, come and go, where they receive love, give love, and then just, fuck off as and when they please. You're sick and tired of being in that zone. You're literally genuinely craving some warmth, and at the same time, you want to cut those people off who are temporary in your life. I do get that vibe. I want to see why is Wheel of Fortune here. Can you please clarify Wheel of Fortune for me? King of Wands in reverse. Give me one more card, please. Clarify Wheel of Fortune for me. Wands in reverse. And Priestess. do see Cancer that the month of September for a lot of you guys is going to be that phase where you're going to be analyzing, am I doing everything right with my life? Is my lifestyle okay? Is the way I'm proceeding further okay? Um, Even though no matter what I'm doing with my life, why am I so discontented and unhappy within when everything is okay on the forefront? So I do see that a lot of you are going to be feeling that burden. A lot of you are going to be taking a step back. A lot of you are going to be taking a step back to analyze everything, starting from your career to your personal life, to your friends, to your lifestyle, to the people that you've dated, to the people that you're seeing. You are literally going to be giving a lot of thought to, you know, all of these things. You are craving some innate bliss, some innate calmness, some innate peace. You are craving, you know, some time basically to analyze if things are okay or not. And some of you are, you know, and the reason being that you're done with people coming and leaving your life. The reason being you're done, you know, some of you are done being the giver, and some of you are done tired of your own shit. Some of you are tired of your own shit in the sense that you are basically craving something stable right now. And I do see that a lot of you, maybe, you know, in the past, a lot of you were just like, you know, falling for people on the basis of how they look, and maybe, you know, all of your equations were passion driven, and all of a sudden, intuitively, you were realizing that that's not what you want. You want to move forward, you want to be better than that. You're basically craving something stable, something calm, and something that balanced out. So that's what your vibe is going to be for September, and you're ready to do what it takes to get to this place, because you're really, really craving all of that. If this reading is resonating with you, Cancer, please hit on the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you're dealing with. I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you're dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit on the subscribe button. And I will dive deep, deep, deep. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person my Cancers are dealing with. Dive deep into the emotions of the person my Cancers are dealing with. What is it my dealing with? I want you to dive deep. Well, Cancer, for some of you, the person that you're dealing with is going through a heartbreak. It could be because of you, it could be because of you deciding, it could be because of you deciding that you don't want this anymore. Or there could be a third party situation wherein this person was involved with two people, and now this person is literally confused as to what to, you know, what to really do about it. This person is not able to find like a fair ground over here. For some of you, your person could also be trying to do the right thing. I do see that. This person is sad, this person is lost, this person is trying to do the right thing. I want to clarify, there is Three of Swords here. I want to clarify that. I do see that it could be a third party situation. This person could be feeling emotionally drained, but I will still, or this person could also be heartbroken because, you know, you have just like started filtering out people of your life, and you have thought to filter them out maybe. I want to see why is Three of Swords here. Three of Swords here. You could be dealing with an air sign or a water sign. Could be another Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Please tell me why is Three of Swords. Yes, certainly. Cancer. So the person that you were dealing with, they were definitely involved with the third party situation. They were really involved with. Yes, there's two of cups. There's three of cups. There's two of pentacles. There's three of swords. Yes, it's all resonating. I mean, this person was. This person was certainly. Dealing with a third party. This person was dealing with two people at the same time, and right now this person is trying to make a call. This person was testing waters. This person was testing water. This person was applying their relational skills at both the places. And even though this person is right now extremely drained, but at the same time, this person is also trying to analyze which person suits them the best, and they are trying to make that call. And probably that's why this person has left you out in cold, which is why you have led to a place where you're like, okay, I don't want people who just like come and go as they please. Strength card wants to show, could be dealing with a Leo, could be dealing with an Aquarian, could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I want to see why is Ace of Cups in reverse though. Please tell me why is Ace of Cups in reverse. Please tell me why Ace of Cups in reverse. Ten of Cups in reverse and King of Pentacles in reverse. I do see Cancer. For some of you, this person has also walked off because they wanted to settle down and they wanted to like sort of build a family, and they really couldn't see that scope. They couldn't see that happening with you, and which is why they're also feeling drained. But at the same time, they only found it very very essential and important to. Not given to this equation anymore. For some of you, this person is also drained because right now this person is focusing on their finances. This person is trying to juggle work and personal self improvement and finances. So this person could be also stressed about that. Can you please clarify the Magician for me? Please clarify the Magician for me. Card and clarify the Magician for me. Again and again, Three of Cups is showing this person is definitely dealing with more than one person. That's for sure. Can you please clarify the Magician for me? One more card, love. Clarify the Magician. For a lot of you, yes, Cancer, the person that you're dealing with, this person is definitely, first of all, dealing with two people. This person, this person was testing waters with you and the other person. This person is right now emotionally drained. Some of you could also have kids with this person, and this person was still, some of you was still seeing someone else. This person right now is emotionally drained because or this person has really walked off from you because this person couldn't really see settling down with you in long term, and what they are looking at is like a future whoever they want to be with. And at the same time, for some of you, your person could be planning to move out of the city that they live in. If some of you are at a distance, this person has realized that you will have to be in the same place to work this out, and distance could be another barrier. Or this person could be planning to move out from the place that they're already living in because they feel that it's going to be better for them. But at the same time, this person feels stuck because of certain issues. So basically, the month of September for your person is not very pleasant. It's very shaky. They are very much clueless in terms of whether they should be with you or they should be without you, or they should invest in that other equation more. What should they be doing? They're trying to make a logical decision in the matters of heart. So this person is literally very much confused. I will now find out if this reading is resonating with you guys. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will now find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of October, for the month of September. Guys, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button. Please give me the outcome for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and your person for the month of August. Please give me the outcome for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and your person for the month of August. Please give me the outcome for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and your person for the month of August. Burden, burden, burden. There's going to be a lot of stress, a lot of burden. Give me the outcome for Cancer and please give me one more card. Give me one more card for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and the person and the outcome. What's the outcome for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and the person? I do see Cancer that some of you could be wanting to like take it off or take like a vacation sort of a thing to just heal or to literally figure yourself out in the month of September, because a lot of you are going to be feeling extremely burdened with all of this on and off bullshit in your life that keeps happening. Some of you have realized that it's a pattern. Some of you have realized that this has been going on in your life for a very long time, and you would need certain sort of inner work to end this. So a lot of you are going to be going into that healing mode. A lot of you are going to be wanting to probably just do something spiritual, or you would definitely, the month of September for you guys is going to be about a lot of inner work, a lot of spiritual work. I do see wherein you will consciously be trying to end these patterns, the ones that get you stuck in these places over and over again. I do see you guys feeling stuck emotionally, feeling stuck mentally, but really trying hard to move on, trying to win over yourself, your demons and your patterns. I do see that the month of September, Cancers, for you and your person both is a very like a month full of struggle, because both of you are struggling emotionally, both of you are struggling spiritually, and both of you have no ground. Basically, you don't know what do you want, your person doesn't know what you want. Maybe that's why you guys have attracted each other in life, because both of you have no clue as to what you want. But probably steadily you are coming to a point where you're realizing that both of you need stability in life, and both of you are incapable of providing it to each other. So you're going to go your separate ways. You're going to decide that okay, we are not working out for each other, so we'll just like maintain distance, and well, Cancer, your advice for you this month is now that you've hit this realization that there is something within you that leads to these repetitive patterns in your life, these people coming and leaving in your life, causing you a lot of stress. Maybe if you've had this realization, you have to work on it, to consciously work on it, and every time you see investing your efforts in a place which you know is not going to last, I think you should stop right there instead of going with the flow. It's a beautiful thing that you want to go with the flow, but sometimes you also have to decide your flow. Not always you can just like get swayed, like sometimes just take a call that this is what I want, and if a person is showing me these signs, if a person I know is coming into my life for a temporary purpose or reason, I'm not going to allow that. It's as simple as that and as difficult as that. Just stop allowing what you don't want to entertain further. This is it for the month of September, guys. I hope it resonated. Subscribe if it resonated, comment if it resonated, and I'll see you guys next month.